one bottle for $19.99, two bottles for $34.95. We also have my sister here. Bailey's, nice and sweet. Okay? She tastes so good. I love you, baby. You want to taste it? She tastes so good, man. Okay. Okay, you know what happened? If, in case you go outside in the port and you find a less price in the bottle of my good brother here, I can give you the same price, okay? So don't worry about the price. We take care of you here on the ship. And in case the last day of the cruise, we can deliver your alcohol to your room. So don't worry, I'm here to take care of you, okay, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The liquor taste. Okay, we have the best of the best all around the world. We have Russian vodka, Jack from America, Mexican tequila. So who knows Mexico? It's just getting the best of the best. What would you like to taste? What about some vodka? I see on your face, right? That's great. So here, and we have some sweet deals for you to enjoy today. First of all, only $19.99. You get a second one at 25% off. It will be only bottles for $34.99, and it keep on going for every other bottle, 25% off. So you like sweet deals, right? You like to say okay, so my name is Fabian. You know where to find me, so enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
You can get a match of gold for $1 only. That's a promotion you can get today. It's amazing.
$34.99, okay? I will deliver them to you on your last day of the trip. Remember that those prices...
Naked?
Huh?
All naked?
Remember that these promotions are only for today, okay? So hurry up. All our prices are tax-free, so let's go and let's buy some alcohol.